Meet the Chainway MR20, a new generation wearable Bluetooth UHF reader, compact, powerful, and built to make your work smarter. With a compact size of just 50 by 62 millimeters and weighing only 64 grams, the MR20 is designed for all-day wear, on a glove, wristband, or lanyard. Powered by the Impinj E310 UHF module, it supports the latest Gen 2X protocol and offers a reading range of up to 80 centimeters. Data is transmitted instantly through Bluetooth 5.0 low energy or USB Type-C, making it fast, flexible, and easy to use with Android or iOS devices. The 1200 mAh removable battery supports quick charging in just 1 hour, ensuring non-stop productivity. Optional charging cradle makes battery management simple.
Dustproof, waterproof, shockproof, and drop-resistant up to 1.5 meters with an IP65 sealing standard. The MR20 is tough enough for any environment.
From logistics and retail store management to warehouse operations, asset tracking, power inspection, and ticket checking, the MR20 keeps your hands free and your work more efficient.
The Chainway MR20, compact, wearable, and powerful. The smarter way to capture data.